Welcome to the latest episode of Weekly Immigration News by Raju Law. This week we brought to you 4 latest developments in the immigration arena. Let's start with the headlines. Availability of 65,000 additional H-2B visas. Policy manual update for if/im non-immigrant student. Special passport acceptance fairs. TPS for Lebanon and relief for Lebanese F1 students. Let's get into details. DHS and DOL issued a temporary final rule providing 64,716 additional H-2B temporary non-agricultural worker visas for fiscal year 2025. These visas support U.S. employers in industries like hospitality, landscaping, and seafood processing facing labor shortages. Similar supplemental caps were otherwise in prior fiscal years under temporary congressional authority. Next up, USCIS has updated the policy manual for if/im non-immigrant students, clarifying STEM OPT eligibility, online study limits, school transfers, and study abroad. Students can now count 1 online course or 3 credits per term toward full-time study. The policy also addresses school transfers, status changes during the 60-day OPT grace period, and rules for study abroad under 5 months. Moving on, the U.S. Department of State hosts passport acceptance fairs for first-time applicants and children using Form DS-11, often on evenings and weekends. Adults renewing with Form DS-82 can apply online or by mail. Find upcoming events by date and state, or use the Acceptance Facility search tool to locate a nearby facility offering routine and expedited services. Finally, the U.S. Department of Homeland Security has designated Lebanon for temporary protected status for 18 months due to the ongoing conflict and humanitarian crisis. Eligible Lebanese nationals in the U.S. can apply for deportation protection, work permits, and travel authorization. Additionally, DHS is easing work restrictions for Lebanese F1 students facing economic hardship, allowing more work hours, reduced course loads, and off-campus work to 2026.